Hi everyone, today I will show you that how to host a website, host a HTML, CSS or JavaScript file. Uh, you can host React file in using S3 Amazon S3 bucket. So there is a few things I need to show. Let's say I have a file in this folder. As we know, React produce this folder and this is main asset and it's also here. So we can upload, drag and drop, and after that we have a few things to do. First things is need change there. Mm, there is a static website is it should be disabled, but you can edit and it should be enabled. Enable this. Next thing we need to do is we need to give permission and there should be few text and I will include it in description. We can You can use edit function and add it automatically, but you can copy paste and change the name as the bucket name. So next, and where you find the link after posted, and this should be in properties section. There is a, as you can see, my link is connected. So that's all.